Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of the lesson number 4, end of term. The first question is, what was Dechi's attitude towards the weekend as a schoolboy? Why did he long for it? कि डेचिस का जो है वो वीकेंड के मतलब क्या बिहेवियर था जब वो स्कूल में पढ़ता था और वो उसकी क्यों ख्वाहिश करता था कि वीकेंड आ जाए. तो इसमें हमने लेसन में पढ़ा कि वो कहता है कि जो डेली रूटीन है कि सुबह उठना स्कूल जाना, वो उसको जो कंटिन्यूस कंपटीशन है फियर्स कंपटीशन उसको लाइक नहीं करता था और वो वीकेंड उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि आगे दो छुट्टियां होती थी सैटरडे संडे की. डेट्स वाई सो वी कैन से Deches was a type of student who doesn't like the daily grind of school work. He doesn't like in particular the homework and the burden of the school, but he actually enjoyed the classwork. So he that's why he longed for the holidays or weekend. What was his general view of school life? The answer will be similar to the question number 1. He didn't actually like the routine work, the burden of the school, but he was not at all hate the school life. He says he has said that he actually liked the classroom work. Question number 3. He liked the holidays for their freedom. Freedom from what? So the answer will be somewhat same. He liked the holidays from for the freedom of daily going to school. You have to be you have to rise from bed at a particular time. You have to go to school at a particular time, and then you have to do your homework. And this was a feeling that the writer did not like. So the freedom from the daily grind of school, daily burden of work. Question number 4 is, how did he spend his summer holidays? He enjoyed them a lot. His summer holidays, actually he had waited for the holidays for the whole term, for the whole year, and then he relished these holidays. It was a mythical, he called them mythical holidays, yani it was a myth, dream for him. Next one is, wishes don't come true in this life, writes Deches. What are the things he longed for but could not have? तो कहता है कि ज़िंदगी में ख्वाहिशात पूरी नहीं होती, डेचेस कहता है, और कौन सी चीज़ों की उसकी ख्वाहिशात थी बचपन में. So it is true that wishes don't come true in life. कि आपकी ख्वाहिश होती है कि मैं एक चीज़ अचीव करूं, और जब वो आप अचीव कर लेते हैं तो आपके लिए वो कुछ देर बाद बेमानी हो जाती है, फिर नेक्स्ट आप ख्वाहिश करना शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो ख्वाहिश कभी भी ख्वाहिशात ख़त्म नहीं होती. And as far as the things are he longed for, he had said that he longed for a tricycle in his childhood. Then this wish transferred into a bicycle when he had grown up, and then he also longed for an ice cream or sweets, but he had no money to buy these things. So these are the longings or wishes of Deches. Next question is, what did he do with his pocket money? In the last part of the story, he tells us that he gets very little pocket money, some pennies, and these were to put in a money box, and save them. They have not much of their own. Their sister and his his brother to spend. So in the on the whole, we can say that they haven't much to spend in their childhood. So these are the questions. I hope you will try to learn and write their answers and practice. यू कैन से द प्रैक्टिस इज़ वेरी मच नेसेसरी कि आप इसको पढ़ें और इनको क्वेश्चंस को अपने वर्ड्स में लिखें और फिर उनको लर्न करें. आई होप यू विल डू सो. टेक केयर. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.